Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear friends, in last class we had discussed about the topic trigonometry and also we were solving some problems of exercise 8.1. Today I am going to start new topic trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Firstly, let's quickly recap what will you have done in previous class. Dear friends, your topic trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a Greek word. It is derived with three words: tree, gon, and metron. Tree means three, gon means sides, and metron means measurement. That means three sides measurement is known as trigonometry. Dear friends, and also explained in previous class T ratio. What is T ratio? The trigonometry ratio of an acute angle is a right triangle. Express the relationship between the angles and length of sides. Clear? Mainly 60 ratio: sine, cos, tan, cos, sec, and cosec. Here given ABC right angle triangle and C and A are acute angle. If C is angle theta, then sin theta equal to P by H, cos theta equal to B by H, and tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, cos theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta, that means B by P, and sec theta equal to reciprocal of cos theta, that means H by B, and cos of theta equal to reciprocal of sin theta, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Let us move towards the topic trigonometry ratio of some specific angles. Here given ABC is right triangle and B is 90 degree, and A and C are acute angle. A and C are acute angle. Firstly, finding T ratio of 45 degree. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, and AB equal to BC such that angle A equal to C. So angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree and B 90 degree and A equal to C. So angle A equal to C equal to 45 degree. Let angle AB equal to A. Then AB equal to A. So also BC equal to A. So in triangle ABC at B 90 degree by Pythagoras, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That is AC square equal to AB equal to A and BC equal to also A. That is AC square equal to 2A square. So AC equal to AC equal to under root 2a square, that is 2a. So now finding T ratio of an acute angle A. So sin A means 45 degree. So sin 45 is equal to P by here hypotenuse root 2 by A. So sin 45 is equal to P by X, that means BC by AC, that is A by 2A is equal to 1 by root 2. A cancel and cos equal to cos 45 is equal to B by X. So AB by AC equal to AB equal to A by root 2A, that is 1 by root 2, and tan 45 is equal to P by B. P is BC, B is AB, so BC by, so A by A equal to 1. Similarly, cot 45 reciprocal of tan equal to 1. Sec 45 is equal to reciprocal of cos 45, it is root 2, and cos of 45 equal to reciprocal of sin 45, that is root 2. So we observe that sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1, cot 45 1, sec 45 root 2, and cos 45 root 2. And similarly, you solve in the same way T ratio of 60 degree. So next topic is finding T ratio of 60 degree. Dear students, now consider the T ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. First, draw a triangle ABC in which all three sides are given, that is ABC is equilateral triangle. AB equal to BC equal to BC, and draw perpendicular AD to BC. Dear students, ABC is a equilateral triangle, that means each angle is 60 degree. And AD bisect angle A, that means BAD equal to half of 60 degree, that is 30 degree. Now consider, let ABC is an equilateral triangle. In which AB equal to BC equal to CA, that is angle A equal to B equal to C equal to 60 degree, and AD perpendicular to BC, AD perpendicular to BC, so angle BAB equal to half of angle BAC, that is 1 by 2 into 60 degree, that is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Now AB equal to BC equal to CA, and now in triangle ABC let AB equal to BC equal to CH equal to 2A. 2A and AB bisect BC, that means BD equal to A so BD equal to DC equal to 1 by 2A, that is A. Now in triangle BAD angle D is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. So AB square equal to 2A square equal to BD equal to A square plus AD square. So AD square equal to 2A square 4A square minus A square, that is 3A square, hence AD equal to under root 3A square, that means root 3A. So AD equal to root 3A. Now sin A, that means sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree angles opposite to side angle A is BD is perpendicular and AB is hypotenuse and AD is base. So sin 30 P by H, that means P is BD, H is AB, that is BD equal to A and AB equal to 2A, A cancel 1 by 2. Cos 30 equal to B by H, that is B is AD, H is AB, and AD equal to root 3A by 2A, A cancel, so root 3 by 2. And tan 30 equal to P by B. P means BD and AB. Sorry, P by B. B equal to AD. And so BD equal to A, AD equal to root 3A, A cancel 1 by root 3. So cot 30 equal to reciprocal of tan 30 root 3, sec 30 equal to reciprocal of cos 30, that is 2 by root 3, and cos 30 equal to reciprocal of tan 30, that means 2 by 1, 2. So your all T ratio of an angle 30 degree. Now in theta, that is angle is 60 degree, that is B. Here B is 60 degree. Now you see finding all T ratio with angle B, that is 60 degree. So in triangle ABD, angle B is 60 degree. So this AD is perpendicular, BD is base, and AB is hypotenuse. Similarly, sine 60 degree, that means P by H. P is perpendicular AD, so AD by AB, and AD is root 3A by 2A. A cancel, root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree, B by H, B is BD, AB, and BD equal to A, H equal to 2A, so cos A cancel, 1 by 2, tan 60 degree equal to P by B, and P is AD and B is BD. AD is root 3A and BD is A cancel, so root 3. And cot 60 degree, reciprocal of tan 60, that is 1 by root 3. Sec 60, reciprocal of cos 60, 1 by 2, that means 2 by 1, and cos 60, 2 by root 3. And now next, finding P ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree. So let us move toward the topic. Dear friends, in triangle ABC, at B is right angle and A and C are acute angle. The trigonometry ratio of angle A, if it is made smaller and smaller in the right triangle ABC till it becomes 0, that means AC coincide to AB. As angle A gets smaller and smaller, the length of side BC decreases and the point C gets closer to point B. This C point closer to point B and C coincide to point B. And finally, when angle A becomes very close to 0, AC becomes almost the same as AB. This sense, ABC and B decrease. C is closer to B, so finally AC becomes coincide to AB. So when angle A is very close to 0, BC gets very close to 0. BC is 0, and so the value of sine A, that means BC by AC, becomes very close to 0. And also when angle A is very close to 0, AC is nearly the same as AB. And so the value of cos A equal to AB by AC is very close to angle 1, because cos A equal to AB by AC, and AB and AC both are same, so AB by AC equal to 1. So finally, sine 0 degree, that means sine angle A 0 degree by equal to P by H, and P equal to BC and H equal to AC. So BC is closer to 0 and AC coincide to AB. So 0 by AB equal to 0 and cos 0 degree equal to B by H. That means B is AB and AC and AC equal to AB, since AC coincide to AB, so AB by AB equal to 0 and tan 0, that means sin 0 by cos 0, that is 0 by 1 equal to 0 and cos reciprocal of tan, that means reciprocal of 0, that means infinity, and sec 0 reciprocal of cos, that is 1, and cosec 0 reciprocal of sin, that is infinity. And similarly you solve finding T ratio of 90 degree. So let us see angle 90 degree. Dear students, T ratio of 90 degree. In ABC, right angle at B 90 degree and A and C are acute angle. Dear students, the T ratio of angle A, when it is made larger and larger in triangle ABC. It becomes 90 degree as angle A gets larger and larger. So angle C gets smaller and smaller, and therefore the length of sides AB gets on decreasing. The point A gets closer to point B, and finally angle A is very close to 90 degree, angle A is very close to 90 degree, C becomes very close to 0 degree, A becomes at B, that means angle A is 90 degree, and C becomes to 0, and the side AC almost coincide with side BC, and AC coincide BC. Yes friends, here ABC and A close to at B, and finally AC coincide BC, and angle A is equal to 90 degree, so C is 0 degree. So finally when C is very close to C is very close to 0 degree, and angle A is close to 90 degree. So side AC is nearly the same as side BC. And so sin A, that means B by H, BC by AC, sin A is very close to 1. That means side B by H, BC by AC, and AC equal to BC. So sin A equal to BC by AC equal to 1, and also when angle A is very close to 90 degree, so AC is, angle C is very close to 0, and the side AB is nearly to 0. So cos A is very close to 0 because cos A equal to B by H. That means AB by AC, and AB is 0. So 0 by AC equal to 0. So sin 90 degree equal to 1 and cos 90 degree equal to 0, and you find other T ratio, tan 90 degree, cot, sec and cosec. So dear students, today's class is over and your homework is finding T ratio of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and do examples of exercise 8.2. Thanks, have a nice day.